I'll be showing you guys how you can get a $100 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. And in the last video I made, I showed you guys how you can get a $50 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with, and a lot of you guys have been able to, and now you are trading with it. All right, so this bonus, I'll be showing you how you can get a $100 no deposit bonus, and this bonus is a bonus that you can actually withdraw from. Of course, you have to meet some certain terms and conditions, and this terms and condition is something you can meet easily. All right, so make sure you follow me closely as I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can get this wonderful opportunity. And if this is your first time of coming across this YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscription button so that you don't miss out on updates like this. Right, and don't forget to like the video and share with your friends that might also need this, and also comment in the comment section where you are watching from so that I can drop videos for your country. All right, so let's dive into how you can get this bonus. All right, so to get this bonus you have to download a app. All right, so what you have to do is to check the description menu. You are going to find a link to how you can download the app right there. Click on the link and it's going to take you to this place, and all you just have to do is to click on install right here and install the app. All right, so to get the app, check the description, there will be a link there. Click on it and it's going to take you to where you can download the app. All right, so you wait patiently for the app to download. All right, and don't forget to hit the subscription button if this is your first time of coming across this YouTube channel, and like, comment and share with your friends. All right, so this is the app right here. I have finished downloading the app. This is it right here. Now I must say this: if you have in one way or the other claimed this bonus before, there's no way you can be able to claim it again. All right, so this bonus is for total new users. All right, so all you just have to do is to register with them right now, and I will show you how to do that just now. So all you just have to do is to click on login or register right here. Click on it and click on register right here, and you know the drill. Just input your first name, last name, your email, and create a password for yourself. After that, you click on agree right here and you click on register. All right, don't forget that if you've claimed this before, you can't claim it again. All right, so this is me after registering. Now to claim the bonus. All right, so to get the bonus, after creating an account, you come to their home page and you are going to see a bonus right here. All right here you are going to see a bonus right there. I have claimed it already, that's why it's not showing there. So all you just have to do is to click on it and you wait patiently for it to load. After loading, the bonus will be credited into your account, and to check it, you're going to come here and click on this down button and you're going to find it here, bonus. So all you just have to do is to click on it. All right, so all you just have to do is to click on it, click on bonus. So this is it right here. You have to click on continue. Click on continue. All right, so your bonus is in your account already. All you just have to do is to start trading. This is the bonus right here, and this is where you trade. All right, so that's how you can get the bonus. All right, so don't forget to like the video and also share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscription button. Thank you so very much for watching.